toona kuti pakubuda nawo dzichinzi aiwa the first lady Amai Auxiliary Mnangagwa, she is in charge of Zimbabwe. Sanapena mashoko anomuda nyorwa panguva ino itopai panotibva subscriber kulike kuti on the bell icon. Timina BBC amposa mapictures amuri kuona awa kubuda nyora chiti the letter coming just days before planned anti-Mnangagwa protest on March 31 directed the promotion and appointment of Major Edbo Madema to be new commander of the military's highly specialized and secretive regiment, replacing Lieutenant Colonel Maisiri. The army commander was directed to give Maisiri appointment elsewhere. Madema, now a lieutenant colonel, was the commander of the army training school in Mubalawa. Army sources said he is implicated in the abduction and subsequent murder of Citizen Coalition for Change supporter Tafumane Masaya, who was seized in November 2023 while campaigning in Mavuko ahead of a parliamentary by-election. The command of Zimbabwe Special Air Services (SAS) was changed controversially after a letter allegedly signed by President Emmerson Mnangagwa was sent to the new Army Commander Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu. Military sources say the letter, bearing a date of March 28, 2025, was in fact originated by First Lady Auxiliary Mnangagwa and his son, Sean, who is a major in the army. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva inoi atiri kuona kuti aiwa the labeling aiwa the first lady vachati aiwa she's the one who's now in charge of Zimbabwe, wenda mberi vachiti aiwa Auxiliary Mnangagwa pamwechete ne the son, the accused of changing special forces command. Tiudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndangwa mesection menu mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe waleka, turn the bell icon.